Hello. So we are going to learn a rule to help us read and spell our words. Okay. So the rule is the VC rule. Okay. So let's look at these words. Okay. So in this first word, which letter is the vowel? Okay. Remember, you're talking out loud to me because you're the only one there. Which letter is the vowel? Correct. It's the I. Okay. So let's look at this rule real quick. Our VC, a vowel followed by a consonant is short, coded with a breve. So what this means is when we have a word like cat, so you see the first vowel and it's red here. I know it's you can't really see the red. That's a little better. Okay. So when we have our vowel and it's followed by a consonant, then this says the short vowel sound. So we're going to code it with a breve so we know that that's the short sound. Okay. That's what this rule means. Okay. So, at. Okay. Log. The vowel is followed by a consonant. That's what this means. So it's a short O. Log. Okay. Sit, tug, and wet. So your brain, we've got to teach our brains. Look for that vowel. If it's followed by one consonant, it's short. Okay. So let's look. We have, here's our vowel. So I'm going to code it with a breve, and then I'm going to sound it out. It. And then I want you to put it together. It. What word? Fit. Good. Let's look at this one. Here's our vowel, and it's followed by a consonant. So I'm going to code it with a breve, and then I'm going to pronounce it sad, sad. Okay. The E is our vowel. I'm going to code it with a breve because it's followed by a consonant. B-egg, bag. Okay. Okay. So we need your high frequency words again. Okay. We're going to write some new words. Okay. I want you to write and. Sound it out. Okay. You pause this video and write the word and. And then after you've written it, unpause it. And. Eh. Ah. D. And. Okay. So this is one of those words. When we sound it out, and it kind of has an E sound. These are our sight words, so they don't follow rules. Okay. So the next one, I want you to spell got. Got. Okay. G-O-T. Help. Pause the video. Help. Help. Okay. Good job. So we're done with this one. Put it back in your envelope after this lesson, okay? Okay. Let's look at this word. Okay. Which letter is the vowel? Right, it's the U. So how should we code this U? Because it's a vowel followed by a consonant. What are we going to put above the U? Good, we're going to put a breve. So we know we say Okay. Now, when we see two letters, two consonants that are the same back to back, we call those twins. Okay? So this word, we don't go, we don't do that. We just say the sound once. So when we have two letters that are exactly the same, we only say the sound once. So, okay? So let's sound out this word. Uh, cuff. Okay, what should we do to the C? Let's see if you remember. It makes the K sound. So there's something that we need to draw on this K to code it. Correct, we're going to draw a K back. So we know that that's kind of close. Sorry about that. So we know that's better. That it's the K sound and not the S sound. So it's K, cuff. Okay? So when we code our words, we have to make sure that we're coding them correctly so we know how to pronounce them. Okay? So let's get out our sheet, Saxon and Phonics Spelling 2, worksheet 4, okay, has this, the net says number 1 ant, and it has a net, okay? A net doesn't go with an ant, does it? Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to look at these words and we're going to code each word, okay? And we have to use the K backs on the C's, okay? So we're going to code each word and then connect it, draw a line to the picture. So this is ant. So we're going to draw a breve above the A. Okay. And then where's the ant? Here's the ant. Okay. Here's a vowel followed by a consonant, and that's our rule. So we're going to put a breve. And no, it's the short sound. N, et, net. Okay. So right now I want you to pause this video and I want you to do side 3, finish 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then when you finish, unpause and see if you got them right. Okay. So go ahead and pause. Okay. So cap, we have our vowel followed by a consonant. Okay. And this k, k, so we've got to draw the K back on that. Okay. And cap, there's the cap right there. You see how my lines are nice and straight? Okay. Egg. We have twin G's, so we're not going to go egg. No, we're just going to go egg. We've got to code it. Okay. Egg. Oh, here's my vowel followed by a consonant. So I know it's going to be a short sound. And we have k. So I've got to put my K back on there. Amp. Amp. Camp. That looks like a camp. Okay. Here's my vowel followed by a consonant. So code that O. Box. Box. Good. Okay. Now I want you to pause it again and see if you can do this whole side by yourself. And then unpause and I'll show you the answers, okay? Go ahead and pause. So we have our vowel followed by our twin T's. So we're just going to say that sound once. So it, mitt. This is a cooking mitt. I'm going to draw straight to there, okay? Our vowel followed by a consonant, so it's going to be the short vowel sound. Et. Oh, here's the little boy with the dog with the arrow pointing, so I bet that's his pet. Okay. Oh, this one only has two letters, but it's a vowel followed by a consonant. So we're going to code our O, and it's a short O sound. So ox, ox. This is an ox. Okay. Bus. We're going to code that U. Okay. Here's our vowel. It's short. That's what we're working on today. Twin L's. So we're just going to say one L sound. So B-L, bell. Straight across. Excuse me. Here's our short I because it's followed by a consonant. Six. Six. Okay. Great job. So this side, I want you guys to work on for practice. Okay. Right now, do your homework. This is your homework. Okay. There's a note to your parent or guardian down here to help. Okay. So get this done because I'm going to have you take a picture of it and send it to me. Okay. If you don't know how to do that yet, no worries. But go ahead and get this done real quick, just like the front. Except you're not going to have me to check. Okay. Okay. That's it.